Today we continue our series on Las Vegas hotels and attractions. Our next stop is the Linq Promenade on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, this is Travelin' Joe, and today we're at the Linq Promenade in Las Vegas. The Linq Promenade is a shopping, dining, and entertainment district and is operated by Caesars Entertainment. It is centrally located right in the heart of the Strip between the Flamingo Hotel and the Linq Hotel. In this video, we'll take a look at everything that the Linq Promenade has to offer. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Let's begin our tour at the front and work our way back. At the very front is the Fly Linq Tower, which is the Strip's only zip line. Riders launch from the 12-story tower and soar over 1,100 feet from Las Vegas Boulevard to the High Roller. The box office is also located at the front, where you can purchase tickets for the Fly Linq, the High Roller, as well as other attractions. The Hot Doggery features a new take on the American hot dog stand. The venue offers retro dogs from around the country. Varieties include the Hangover Dog, the Mac and Cheese Dog, and more. Buddy's Jersey Eats offers casual food by cake boss Buddy Balastro. Carnival-inspired food like chicken wings, hot dogs, and fries are served in a food truck style setup. Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips is a quick-service restaurant from the famous celebrity chef. The restaurant serves up authentic British fish and chips. You can build your own box, including fish, shrimp, lobster, and chicken. Breeze Daiquiri Bar serves up 12 different flavors of daiquiris, and they're served in a fun novelty cup. Sweet Sin serves authentic Italian gelato, along with coffee, pastries, macaroons, and more. You'll also find crepes, waffles, shakes, and smoothies. Continuing down the promenade, we come to Cheo, Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar. This two-story restaurant has multiple bars and features delicious Mexican food and tequila, all in a party atmosphere. O'Shea's is an Irish-style pub that features 3 bars, table games, and live music. You can enjoy a friendly game of beer pong, or play blackjack or roulette, and enjoy 8 different beers on tap. If you have a sweet tooth, head over to I Love Sugar. This is one of the largest and most unique candy stores you'll ever visit. The store is a 14,000 square feet sugar wonderland. You'll find just about every candy imaginable in this 2-story sugar paradise. And both kids and adults will enjoy this experience. The second floor offers an entire section dedicated to chocolate. You'll also be able to enjoy one of the many candy-infused martinis at the I Love Sugar's Candy Martini Bar. The Linq Promenade was opened by Caesars in 2013 and is home to more than 35 restaurant and retail stores. Continuing on, our next stop is Off the Strip Bistro and Bar. Off the Strip is a local's favorite and is known for its classic bistro and bar comfort food. This 2-story restaurant features 3 bars as well as indoor and outdoor seating. Menu favorites include chicken parmesan and lobster ravioli. The Welcome to Las Vegas store offers souvenirs, gifts, clothing, and more. There's a wide variety of Las Vegas-themed apparels, mugs, glasses, playing cards, magnets, and more. This is one of several locations on the Strip. The Tilted Kilt Pub and Eatery offers a fun, Celtic-themed environment. Here you can hang out with friends, watch a game, eat bar food, all with an Irish twist. Our next stop is Virgil's Barbecue. Virgil's Real Barbecue offers Southern-inspired smoked barbecue with all the favorite traditional sides and desserts. Both indoor and outdoor patio seating is available. Next we have Flour and Barley Brick Oven Pizza. Here you'll find brick oven pizza as well as other Italian favorites, plus dozens of craft beers. The Linq Promenade encompasses over 300,000 square feet, and in addition to all the restaurants and shops, it's a great place to just walk around and browse the area. Okay, let's continue our tour. Our next stop is Harley-Davidson. The store offers a range of leather apparel, t-shirts, sunglasses, and gifts. And you'll also find products that are exclusive to Las Vegas. The American Beer Bar is a beer lover's heaven. The bar features over 70 different canned beers from all across the United States, as well as several historically named cocktails. Next we come to Jabaritos. The restaurant features a fusion between Mexican and Japanese foods. There are 10 different chef creations and can be ordered as a sushi burrito or a sushi bowl. If you live on the West Coast, you know all about In-N-Out hamburgers. Burger lovers everywhere flock to this popular California burger chain. You could order hamburgers, cheeseburgers, or the famous double-double with the signature spread. For a really cool experience, head over to the Ice Bar. The Ice Bar features 100 tons of custom carved ice, including drinking glasses, walls, and seats. Continuing down the Linq Promenade, we come to Favorite Bistro. Favorite Bistro features French cuisine with an American flair. Favorite menu items include French onion soup, escargot, baked brie, and quiche Lorraine. Next is Ghirardelli Ice Cream and Chocolate Shop. You'll find an endless array of their famous chocolate squares, including dark chocolate, sea salt caramel, chocolate mint, and more. In addition, there's an ice cream parlor in this store. You also find entertainment options like the Brooklyn Bowl. This is a great entertainment spot to catch all sorts of touring music acts. The venue also contains a 32-lane bowling alley. The Honolulu Cookie Company is noted for its signature pineapple-shaped shortbread cookies. You can create your own cookie box at the a la carte cookie stations. Flavors include macadamia, pineapple, coconut, guava, and more. VR Adventures is an immersive virtual reality experience. You can choose from a variety of adventures such as Jungle River Raft, 4D whitewater rafting, and Haunted Elevator. Socks and Bottoms features matching sock collections for families and matching underwear for couples. There are tons of different themes including movies, superheroes, sports teams, famous products, and more. Pier 30 is the destination for fashion-savvy hipsters looking for the latest styles. The store specializes in beach-inspired apparel. You'll find the latest styles in swimwear, surf and skate clothing, shoes, sandals, and accessories. Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club features stand-ups from household names as well as up-and-coming talent. It's a unique comedy club experience designed by the TV host himself. The Yard House features great food, classic rock music, and 180 taps of the best American craft beers and imports. Beers are available in half yards, pints, and shorties. Alright, we are nearly to the back of the promenade. Our next stop is Maxie's. Maxie's features classic diner food, but with a twist. Specialties include cotton candy pancake towers and fruity pebble French toast. And last but certainly not least is the High Roller Observation Wheel. At 550 feet, the High Roller is the largest observation wheel in North America. The High Roller features 28 spacious cabins, and it takes 30 minutes to complete one revolution. Discounted prices are available before 6 p.m. You can even purchase a happy half hour, which includes an open bar and a bartender for one 30-minute rotation of the wheel. The wheel is extra special at night. The colors are bright and unique, and they change frequently. And views are great both during the day and the night. And speaking of the night, the Linq definitely comes alive during the evening. And while this outdoor entertainment district does attract visitors all day, it's especially popular at night. It's a great place to have dinner, have a few drinks, and do some people watching. And if you're looking to take a break from the Strip, this is a terrific place to visit. With so many bars, restaurants, and entertainment venues, you're sure to find something you'll like at the Linq Promenade. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. This is Traveling Joe saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.